Alright, we're making it out on this beautiful evening that is now nighttime. Stayed out at Mike's a little bit too late. Gonna get my first video of riding at night. So I have actually been wanting to film more at night, but with it becoming winter and getting colder, didn't think that was gonna happen, besides the fact that it is November and in the 70s right now. But let's jump to downtown Annapolis. So we're going to use the city lights to hopefully light up my shots a little bit better, but let's jump on the bike and I will update you guys on some stuff. A lot is going on and I want to get better and more consistent with doing different videos on YouTube. Essentially started jotting down my ideas so that way I know what videos I have filmed, what videos I want to film, and not forget anything. But first off, I'm going to start posting at least one video a week on Sunday morning at 8 a.m. That will be my consistent video every week that you can rely on. Other than that, I am of course going to aim to get more than one video a week, aiming for 2. If you guys are lucky, maybe a third one, but at the very minimum 1 a week. But Friday evening, my wife was going to work and a car rear-ended her. She was dead stop. They did not hit their brakes at all and hit her doing about 30, which pushed her into the work truck in front of her. Thank goodness she is okay and walked away without any scratches or bruises, but the same cannot be said for our car. Unfortunately, it is most likely going to be totaled, and by most likely I mean because the tow hitch went through the front bumper and V'd the front rebar, which tacoed the front right crash placement of the frame. So with that being said, that is going to outdo the value of our car. So now we have either the motorcycle or the school bus as a daily driver. Eventually we will get a car, hopefully as soon as possible. Trying to... It's a sweet old Mercedes. See, I would love to have that on bags. Getting frustrated because apparently there's moisture between my pin lock and my screen, so my screen is kind of all blurred out and I'm sitting in traffic. It is 70 degrees in November, let alone at nighttime, so super happy to be getting out to just make a video in general. I am way losing my train of thought right now, but I'm going to get the raffles out to you guys. Was originally going to start them this weekend, but with this happening, clearly that was priority. So once this video posts, the very next day I will start the raffle over on my Instagram, and you can go over there if you want to enter. It would be very helpful and very appreciative. Dude, what is going on down here? So yeah, this video and this weekend have not gone to plan at all, and I'm having nothing but a brain fart right now. So this is already being helpful that I'm jotting stuff down, so now I can remember, which is also what I'm just going through, is I need to get out of my own head, seeming to film more videos and go to edit them and not necessarily like them. So I just don't actually make the video, which obviously needing to make content is not the best, but also realizing that I want to make better content that's consistent, quality content that maybe you guys get 1 video a week, opposed to making 2 or 3 not as good videos. What is going on? I have gotten a new camera, which I will show you guys hopefully in the next video. So I've gotten a new camera, which I will show you guys in the next video, and we'll also start doing reviews on different motorcycle stuff that I have, that I use, that I like, and or not even necessarily motorcycle categorized products, but what I actually enjoy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say I apologize for this video. Obviously talking to you about wanting to make better videos and better quality, but honestly sometimes shit happens and life is how it is, and you gotta roll with it and do the best that you can with what you have, and that is just what I am rolling with right now. I'm going to make this video. It is very much frustrating me right now because I wanted to get out while it was nicer, and by nicer I just mean lighter, because it's already super nice being in the 70s in November, but I already feel like I'm forgetting stuff, and yeah, have finally passed the point of having this motorcycle for a year. Can't see on my screen, it's fogged, bummed about that, but don't want to pull the pin lock off right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much if you're at this point. I really appreciate you guys. Even if you guys skip to this point, I'm still super appreciative of that. If you guys like this for some reason, I really appreciate it, but give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Subscribe, and I promise the next video will be on point and much better. I'll see you guys then.